All right, so what are the three biggest problems that copywriters face? First thing is not knowing if your idea works. Second, your copy is without a specific mission. Third, you have no idea how to structure your sales letter. Now let's attack the first one, right? Not knowing if your idea works. Well, this is most of us, right? This is most of us. Not knowing if your idea works is part of anything. Anybody that has started anything didn't know for certain that what they're doing was going to work 100%. Even the richest entrepreneur in the world would tell you that they knew that the chances of them not succeeding were also considered, or they considered big time the fact that they could not succeed. But you should not let that stop you from writing, because there is no answer to the first question. To be honest with you, you never know if your idea is going to work. But there is a possibility that it could work, and you should be very optimistic about it. So if you're going to write an email, just write the email first, right? Write the email first. And of course, we're going to try to control the two things that we can control, which is what is the mission of the email and how to structure it, because we can control these things as far as the idea. If it works or not, we cannot control that. So do not bother about what you cannot control. Do not worry about it. That's what I'm trying to say. Worry only about the things within your control and the things that rely on your action. Okay. If it's something beyond your action, don't worry too much about it. Leave it to God to help you with that. And so the second thing is your copy is without a specific mission, which is what you never want. You never want to send a copy that I call stray copy. Never send stray copy. Your copy should be specific. It should solve a specific problem. So for example, the copy that I've shown you that I sent to these steroid e-commerce stores, it solves a specific problem, which is the problem of traffic. These people suffer from lack of traffic. They have to pay to get people to their website, which is very, very, I would say, not only time consuming, but most of all resource consuming, because they're spending a lot of money on ads. And so you can imagine how much money they're spending. Also, it is very, very hard to control these people coming in. So it is quite difficult to first just get them in. And it is even more difficult to get them to take some sort of an action on the website. So you could imagine their frustration is multiplied. So here, our mission as copywriters is to ensure that these websites get another type of traffic, which is organic traffic, the kind of traffic that they don't have to pay for. How do we do that? Is basically we help them write more copy on their website so that they appear on the search results, and so that people can find and access their website directly from the search results, and that gives them access to free organic traffic in our case. Third is you have no idea how to structure your sales letter, which is something I struggled with before finding this method that I'm teaching you over here. Is I had all these ideas. It was almost like an explosion of ideas that I had in my brain. But the only downside to that is I couldn't actually find how to structure them. I couldn't fit what should be the first idea, what should be the last, what idea should I put in the middle. That's a very, very big problem. So to have this method is to exactly answer that problem that so many of you struggle with. So from now on, by using this method, you don't have to think about the structure anymore, because the structure is there for you, right? The structure is there for you. You can follow a structure that is, of course, I'm going to show it to you. You can follow that structure and you can write your emails with it, or your sales copy with it. So basically, these are the three biggest problems that copywriters face. And so right now, let's dig deep into this method and how to use it.